A is unlimited sig figs because you're counting. So there's two scenarios where you have unlimited significant figures, and one is when you're counting, like soccer players. You're not going to have fractions of players. When you have a defined relationship, like 60 seconds in a minute, 12 inches in a foot, 100 centimeters in a meter, and so on. So those have unlimited precision. Okay, B. Now, leading zeros are never significant. They hold the places for the digits that were measured. Now, zeros in the middle of other non-zeros are always significant. The 7 is measured, the 2 is measured. Well, of course, the two zeros between them are also part of that measurement. All right, and then the 0 at the end, trailing zeros, are significant if they are to the right of a decimal. All right, there's no reason to put that 0 there after a decimal at the end of a number if it wasn't measured. So we're saying it is measured. Right? The 7, the 0, the 0, the 2, the 0, they're all measured. Part of the measurement. So that's 5 significant figures. C, the 0 between other non-zeros there, that's significant. So the 1, the 0, and the 8. Now, the zeros at the end, trailing zeros, but to the left of a decimal, implied decimal, there it is, are not significant. Now, maybe they are, then you would write this in scientific notation, or you would indicate it somehow. Otherwise, you're the only one, whoever measured it is the only one that will ever know. All right, so this has 3 sig figs. D, leading zeros are not significant. Trailing zeros are if they're to the right of a decimal. 2 sig figs. You got to make sure these units are measurements too. So they are meters, meters, meters. Now, thumbtacks isn't, so let's just, I skip. We're almost done. Let's go in order. E. All right, so 5.00. Why would anybody put 0.00? Well, they would do that if they actually measured it. Otherwise, they would simply write 5. Right? So they went out of the way, letting you know they measured that. So that's 3 sig figs. Trailing zeros, end of a number, right of a decimal, significant. All right, last one. F, thumbtacks, unlimited. Unless you're using like thumbtacks to measure stuff, and why would you do that? You wouldn't do that.